Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification sound on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration, and here select notification sound, and here you can select any tone for sim 1. Okay, first it is defaultly set to sim 1 and select anyone. Here I select this tone, and to change notification sound for sim 2, click on sim 2 here, and now you can change notification sound for sim 2. Okay, as of now it is set to signal this tone, and if you would like to change to any other tone, select from the available options. I have selected this one, and just go back and they will be activated. So hereafter the selected tones will be active for sim 1 and sim 2 for notification sound. Okay, in this way you can easily change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.